Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your WhatsApp application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, to deactivate your WhatsApp application, firstly open your WhatsApp. The message section will appear on the screen. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and click on Settings option. Click on the Accounts. It will take you to your account setting page of WhatsApp application. Tap on Delete my account. To deactivate your account, enter your country and your phone number, then tap on Delete my account. On the next page, select a reason for deleting your account. Now, select a reason that says deleting your account temporarily and tap on Delete my account. Your account will be deactivated in no time. This is how you can deactivate your WhatsApp application or WhatsApp account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.